I'm Shanish Omiran from Mauritius, and he's my father, Omiran from Mauritius. He has got many problems, back nerve, problem with spine. He couldn't walk properly, and he had a lot of trouble to sleep and to walking. He can't do his daily job. He had to leave his job to stay at home to relax. He could not do anything in Mauritius there. He wasn't able to take rest. He wasn't able to sleep. So even we sell vegetable. He wasn't able to work at all for like 2 months or 2.5 months maybe. He has to stay at home to take rest in bed, and only thing he can do, he can just go to the bathroom, to the kitchen, he can watch TV and back to his bed. He was feeling very tired. He couldn't do anything. I got to know from a friend. He suggested me here. Then I checked on Google. Then I called Mahajan personally. Then he gave us all the information. Okay. The medicine here, the treatment, how it was going. In Mauritius, they were saying, yeah, he should operate. The first time I heard about it, I didn't know anything. Then when we spoke to Mr. Mahajan, he explained us how it works here. We sent him all the documents, everything about the MRI, etc. Then on phone itself, he just told us that he will be able to make him work again, like not 100%, like 90 to 95%. Then we have done our research extra on Google. We have many good reviews. Many family also had done the research. They are all of them have given us all the good reviews here. The staff are very friendly, very kind. They had took very good care of him. They come here every time, even when they press the button in the room, they come, no issue, nothing. Even all the staff are just wow. Yeah, it's quite good. He come to visit. We can't say every time on a day, like he can come twice. He come to see him. He asks him questions. Even when he go to the operation room, he is there. He's always like when he do all the treatment, the procedures. He tell me everything. Before and after, there's like big difference. Then he can't walk either. Then now I can see him walk. He can do like half of his job that he was doing previously. Even in the physio, they're very great there. They had done many things so he can improve for his to walk. Back then he had to bend down and walk. Now he can straight up and walk comfortably. Yeah, it was great because Mauritius, we don't have this success rate. There they were doing surgery, but here we had done it without surgery. That's a great success from here. We have great success from us also because he had already done one operation in Mauritius. That's why the doctor was giving the 50-50 chance. Yeah, I can say we can come here. We can trust this hospital. They had done many things. They are very great staff, great doctor. Everything here is perfect. I would thank him very much for all the things he have done for us. Even all the staff was awesome. If we would stay in Mauritius, I don't know if he will be able to recover, or we prefer to come here so we can walk back to the airplane. We can go back home like safely.